Hi everyone, this video is going to help you as you work through workbook pages 131 and 132. I'm going to read number 1 to you. Please create a picture in your mind as I read aloud. Tommy sees 30 carrots. Earl sees 20 carrots. How many carrots do Tommy and Earl see? So, you should have noticed that Tommy sees 30 carrots. So you can go ahead and pause your video and build 30 carrots with your tens. Okay, friends, great job. So you should have 10, 20, 30. Then it says Earl sees 20 carrots. Can you build 20 carrots for me, please? Great job. So 10 and 20. So how many carrots do they see in all? Well, let's count together. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Excellent. That's right. They see 50 carrots in all. So now we need to write an equation to match what we built. So how many carrots did Tommy see? That's right, 30. So on our line, we would write 30 to show Tommy's 30 carrots. And how many carrots did Earl see? That's right, 20. Very good. And remember, we put the carrots together to find out how much they saw in all. So we added the carrots together. So 30 plus 20 equals, that's right, 50. Great job. So they see 50 carrots. Okay, friends, nice job. Let's take a look at question number 2 together. Number 2 says, Bill plants 10 seeds in a garden. Then he plants 60 more seeds. How many seeds does Bill plant? We're going to draw a picture to solve this problem together. So Bill plants 10 seeds in a garden. So I'm going to draw 110. Then he plants 60 more seeds. Can you please go ahead and draw 60 more seeds? Okay, friends, great job. So you should have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So the question is, how many seeds does Bill plant? Well, let's count together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Excellent job. So we need to write an equation that matches our picture. So how many seeds did Bill plant first? That's right, just 10 more. And remember, we added 60 more seeds. When we added 60 more, we're going to use our addition sign to show that we added. And we know that Bill planted 60 more seeds. So our equation should be 10 plus 60 equals, how many seeds did we have in all? That's right, 70. Great job. So Bill plants 70 seeds. Okay, friends, let's take a look at number 3 together. Okay, and we are going to use our hundreds chart to help us solve number 3. So you can go ahead and get that ready. It says 30 ants are on a log. Then 60 more join them. How many ants are on the log now? Well, we know to start there were 30 ants on a log. So I'm going to find 30 on my hundreds chart. I'm going to go over to 10 and I'm going to count down to 30. 10, 20, 30. Then it says 60 more ants join them. So we have to add 60 more. Let's count together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Great job. So let's talk about our equation that matches the work on our hundreds chart. How many ants were on the log to start? Let's take a look at our hundreds chart. There were 30. That's right. And remember, 60 more joined them. So we're adding 60 more ants, right? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And what did that equal? Where do we end on our hundreds chart? Very good. We ended on 90. So there were 90 ants on the log. Okay, friends, let's flip our paper over and take a look at number 4. Number 4 says, which shows how to add 40 plus 30. I'm going to write out how many 10s I have to solve this problem. So when I look at 40, if I draw 40, count it with me. 10, 20, 30, 40. So how many 10s do you see in 40? That's right, there's 4 10s. And we're adding 30 more. 10, 20, 30. Great job. So how many 10s do you see in 30? 3 10s. Very good. So what does that equal? 4 10s plus 3 10s. Let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Excellent. So 4 10s plus 3 10s equals 7 10s. So on your paper, you need to find the choice that matches our work down here. Okay, friends, when you're ready, you can pause the video if you need to, and when you're ready, you can press play. Okay, friends, great job. Let's take a look at number 5. I'm going to read it aloud to you, and then I'm going to let you solve this question on your own. You can solve number 5 by building it. You can solve number 5 by drawing your 10s. You can solve number 5 by using your hundreds chart. Or you can solve number 5 by writing out how many 10s you have. So number 5 says, a farmer sells 50 white eggs and 20 brown eggs. How many eggs does the farmer sell? So go ahead and pause the video, choose your strategy, and when you're ready, press play. Okay, friends, great job. So when I solved this problem, I decided to build it. So I built my 50 white eggs, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and then I built 20 more eggs. $10, $20. So I need to know how many eggs the farmer sold. So count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. You should have gotten the same answer, 70 eggs, no matter what strategy you used. Okay, friends, the last question is a review. So I'm going to let you solve this one all by yourself. I will read it aloud to you, and then you can pause the video and solve it all by yourself. Gina has some flowers. She gives 7 flowers to her friends. Now she has 6 flowers. How many flowers does Gina have to start? Okay, friends, good luck working on number 6, and great job joining me.